How to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy Bitcoin on MoonPay app. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, open up your MoonPay application on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app, then you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now open the application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will land to the home page. Now what you need to do is tap on Bitcoin option under popular tokens. Now it will take you to this page. Tap on buy Bitcoin. Now here you will be able to make a purchase of 200 euros, 300, 500 and 1000. And if you tap on that, the amount on the top will change. You can also select and type in a random amount by yourself, and what you need to do is tap on the continue option. Now lastly, you need to provide your Bitcoin address which supports Bitcoin, and make sure to avoid using your BTC. Once you provide the address, simply tap on continue and follow through the process to make the purchase complete. So this is how you can easily buy Bitcoin on MoonPay mobile. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.